Hey everyone, welcome back to CG Art Studio. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes of a product animation showreel I created for a recent client. And trust me, this one turned out pretty awesome. The client wanted two main things: a clean dynamic product showcase and a smooth installation guide where each component drops in and assembles like a perfect puzzle. It had to be informative but also visually stunning. Luckily, the client provided a detailed 3D model of their product, which really helped speed things up. I brought everything into Blender for animation, lighting, and environment setup, from positioning every part to designing the drop and attach sequence. The goal was clarity without losing style. To make the scene more immersive, I added a garage-style environment in the background, giving the animation some context and visual depth. It's subtle, but it ties everything together. Once the animation locked, I moved into Premiere Pro for post-production, adding camera cuts, smooth transition, and color correction to really bring it to the life. Here is the final version. Let's see how the client reacts. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more client project or Blender tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell button so you never miss an update from CG Art Studio.